From the smallest seedlings to the tallest sunflowers, the natural world teems with life. Today, we turn our attention to a common foe of gardeners everywhere, the aphid. These tiny insects can wreak havoc on our beloved plants, draining them of vital nutrients. But do not despair. For nature, in its infinite wisdom, also provides solutions. Join me, Anthony Camacho, as we delve into the fascinating world of pest control. Together, we'll uncover 5 simple remedies to banish aphids from your garden and restore balance to your little slice of nature. For centuries, the neem tree, native to the Indian subcontinent, has been revered for its medicinal properties. Its leaves and seeds contain a potent, naturally occurring insecticide known as azadirachtin. This remarkable compound disrupts the aphid's life cycle, deterring feeding and inhibiting reproduction. To utilize this ancient remedy, mix a few teaspoons of pure neem oil with a liter of water and a drop of gentle dish soap. The soap helps the oil emulsify and adhere to the leaves. Using a spray bottle, apply this solution liberally to your affected plants, ensuring both the tops and undersides of the leaves are coated. Repeat this process every few days, especially after rainfall, until the aphid infestation subsides. Sometimes, the simplest solutions prove to be the most effective. Such is the case with soapy water, a readily available weapon in our fight against aphids. The soap acts as a surfactant, breaking down the protective outer layer of the aphids, leading to dehydration. Add a tablespoon of gentle dish soap, preferably free of harsh chemicals, to a liter of water. Stir gently to ensure the soap dissolves completely, creating a milky solution. Arm yourself with a spray bottle and target your aphid-infested plants. Chapter 3. Ladybugs. Nature's tiny guardians. The ladybug, with its vibrant red shell and black spots, may seem innocuous, but it's a voracious predator in the garden, particularly fond of aphids. Introducing these natural predators to your garden is akin to deploying a miniature army. You can purchase ladybugs from garden centers or encourage their presence by planting aphid-repelling herbs like dill, chives, and cilantro. Once released, these tiny warriors will get to work, devouring aphids with astonishing efficiency. Chapter 4. Garlic Spray. Pungent Protection. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, also possesses potent insecticidal properties. Its pungent aroma serves as a natural deterrent to aphids. To create this potent spray, finely chop a few cloves of garlic and add them to a liter of water. Let the mixture steep overnight to allow the garlic's natural compounds to infuse the water. Strain the solution, then transfer it to a spray bottle, and apply liberally to your affected plants. Chapter 5. Diatomaceous earth, a barrier of tiny fossils. This fine white powder, known as diatomaceous earth, is harmless to humans and pets, but deadly to soft-bodied insects like aphids. The secret lies in its microscopic structure. The diatomaceous earth particles are incredibly sharp, piercing the aphid's exoskeletons and causing dehydration. Sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth around the base of your affected plants. The diatomaceous earth acts as a physical barrier, deterring aphids from reaching your plants. Outro. Reclaiming your garden paradise. There you have it. 5 simple yet effective remedies to banish aphids from your garden and restore its natural harmony. Remember, patience and persistence are key. By choosing natural, eco-friendly solutions, you're not only protecting your garden but also the delicate balance of our ecosystem. So, go forth and reclaim your garden paradise, armed with the knowledge and tools to combat even the peskiest of invaders. Thanks for watching. If you found these remedies helpful, check out our other video on using yeast fertilizers to boost your garden's health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips.